Hey, what's up everyone, this is Invest for More and welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If you are new, please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna give you valuable information on this channel about new strong fundamentals projects, and today I'm gonna talk about Casper Labs. When is the best time to buy Casper Labs? Guys, I just saw something very important, and let's get into it. But before starting, go on my channel and see this video about Casper, why I think it's one of the best blockchain right now, undervalued. So go on this video, watch from the beginning until the end, and make your decision based on information you have. Okay, do your own research about the Casper coin. Here's Casper Coin. It's a new blockchain. The price is 0.1309. The market cap is 151 millions of dollars. The circulation supply is 1.2 billion out of 10.2 billions. So it has to come a lot of coins into the market, but for long run it's gonna be in my opinion price is gonna be over $1 easily. So I'm gonna talk about today when is the best time to buy this coin, because as you can see here, most of the people get FOMO into this coin, and they bought at $1.80 or whatever, over $1, and from that moment when they launched the coin all the way down to 0.05 cents. Okay, that's why important to do your own research, and I'm talking about this in this video, so please go watch this video, why the price went down here and why it's important to wait for the price to drop to come to your target and then buy. Okay, because I know the project from IDO price, from IDO stage, and I didn't invest in IDO because I didn't got lucky to invest in IDO at that time. But also I didn't FOMO into the beginning when everybody was crazy to buy, and they got screwed. As you can see here, they got screwed. But I think, guys, this is the moment when you start buying a lot. I start buying since was right here, July. Yes, July, right here. 0.07 was the first time, the second time 0.08, the third time was 0.09, and then the fourth time was right here, 0.666 somewhere, before this huge run up. Okay, so gonna show you exactly when is the best time to buy right now, guys. Look at this chart. This is the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, I was starting from the bottom to the all-time high right here. This it's 4-hour chart. Okay, so I bought right here on the bottom. I didn't sell it right here. It's my bag for long term. But right now I bought with today I bought $2,000 right here somewhere when it's 9 a.m. right here somewhere right here. I'm gonna show you my order. Okay, as you can see here at 0.1251, it's a great support. It never close the candle under this. If it's gonna close the candle under this level, it's gonna drop to the next candle maybe. Okay, as you can see here, it was a good support here, and here. It's a good support. Okay, over here in this case, on this stage was the resistance. Okay, it's try one time, two time, third time, fourth time. The candle, as you can see, the candle close above the the resistance line, okay, at 0.1251. When it closed over that line, it went up, okay, the volume up. As you can see here, the volume keep being steady upside, and here the volume went down, and the selling pressure was big, and this line now it's a support line, as you can see here, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 time. Okay, when it's gonna close under this line, in my opinion, it's gonna go forward to the next line, okay, at 0.0969. But today I'm gonna show you today my order in at AskChainDex.com. Guys, you can use my link to save 10% every transaction, and I'm gonna post my my link into the description. And here is my order, guys. Today at 9 I put a buying order at 9. I don't know what time it was, about 9 or something, 9:31. I think this is the time when they filled the order. I think I'm not sure about it, but I put $2,000 at this price at 0.1260, my buying order, okay, and it's about 15,000 coins, over 15,000 coins, Casper coins, okay. So guys, for today I did my dollar cost average, okay. I did it more than usual daily, because I've seen the support right here. I've seen this support, so I shouldn't keep doing my dollar cost average with $9 or $10, $11, okay. I jump with more money, like right here when I did like dollar cost average on this drop somewhere here. I've got in, then yeah, first time I got in right somewhere. Oh, I moved this one. Okay, first time I got in somewhere here, 0.07, and then went up. I bought at 0.08, 0.09, but also when it was dropped down, I bought more, $2,000 right here, 0.0666, somewhere here. I bought more, exactly 3 days before this run up. So guys, the perfect moment to buy Casper Labs, I think it's right now at this level, okay, in my opinion. I didn't put the order at let me see, how can I move this up? Okay, and this one right here, okay. Yeah, my order wasn't at 0.1250 because I wasn't sure if it's gonna hit again the support line. I wanted to be safe with 10 not cents, a penny of a cent, I don't know, to be higher than the support line, because I wanna get into this price, you know. It's very cheap for long run, guys. For long run, believe me, it's gonna go over $1 easily, okay, which means my $2,000 right now is gonna be $15,000, okay, 15 or more than that. So that's why, and I think half of this I'm gonna stake it, and half of this I'm gonna keep it for trading. I'm gonna sell after another big run up. I'm gonna sell and wait for the drop. Usually, guys, as I've seen, I'm not a big trader, but in my opinion, after a big run up, I'm not familiar with this platform. Let me see. Oh, right here. Okay, after a big run up like this, so 1 day, or no, 2 days was here, 200% up, 200% up. With a good coin, it's gonna go down. This is strong fundamental project. With meme coin, shit coins, it's up and the second day down, but you never know if it's gonna go again up. That's why. And also with the shit coin can go way higher in 24 hours or 2 days, okay? But with strong coins it's gonna go like 100%, 200% up, as you can see here, right here. It needs a correction to be healthy, a healthy trade, okay? A healthy coin needs to be have a correction. So that's why, guys, I'm gonna keep some for trading. So at this moment I don't know if it's when it's gonna go up, but if it's gonna go up like 100%, 200%, I'm gonna sell it and wait for the drop. I don't know how deep will be the drop, but you know, as you can see here, it's a very good drop from from 0.22 to 0.124. okay, very good drop. That's why, guys, I think, in my opinion, today or this weekend it's very good time to buy Casper Labs. But look at this, here was resistance line, here is a support line or support line, you know. And today I think, in my opinion, it's the best day to buy Casper Labs. Once it goes down, once it's gonna go up, I don't think it's gonna look back for this price, okay? For this price, as you can see here, went up. I don't think it's gonna go down to under 10 cents. I don't think, in my opinion. I don't know, I'm not sure 100%. I'm not a big trader. I'm not really a small trader. But I don't know exactly the technical stuff, but I invest in strong fundamentals projects. That's why. And I'm doing my own research about them, about their tokenomics, their team, their circulation supply, their IDO price, everything, their community. I want to be sure they have a strong community, they have passion in what they're doing, if by supporting this coin, by supporting this project. So that's why when I got into this, when I found it, I put a lot of questions, I test them, I I was like a new baby guy into this game of crypto. But they understand me. I want to do my own research, and that's why they were patient with me, and they helped me a lot. That's why I think it's a good, strong community. It's a healthy project. And guys, do not wait. Thank you, guys, for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I have 403 subscribers. Watch those 3 videos. The first one you have to watch is this one with 19 minutes, Casper Labs new blockchain. I think it's the most valuable video. You can find it right now. And also this one, because the price is gonna go higher. This price is not gonna wait you a lot of time, okay? So that's my video for today. My dollar cost average, it's cancelled for today, or not cancelled, but I put like more money into days DCA, okay? It's not an average, but I put more money into it, okay? And look at this. The first time when I got a dollar cost average, it was 0.172. The second time when I got in, it's 0.1363. okay, now today I bought with more money at lower price than the first time. That's why, okay? And I dropped my dollar cost average here was about 0.13, yeah, 0.13 was, and now I think 0.12, close to 60, yeah, 0.1260 or something like this. Okay, that's why in my opinion it's very important to do your dollar cost average with the new project on, and also with the old projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, you know. So guys, I'm gonna make another video how to stake your Casper coins. As you can see here, I already made 125 Casper coins, which is gonna be worth over $100. Okay, let's say if Casper will hit $1, it's very probable to hit that, and my rewards until now, 6 days, it's gonna be like in 6 days $125 every 2 hours. As you can see here, every 2 hours they reward me with 1.65, 1.5, 1.6, 1. Whatever, Casper coins. Okay, at this moment it's cheap, but I'm gonna keep it for a long time. I'm gonna keep this bag for a long time. I'm gonna move some of these coins I just bought into the staking platform, and some of them I will keep for trading to accumulate way more. So thank you for watching. See you guys in another video. Bye bye.